How do you steal an entire continent without firing a single blank? Simple, you lock the doors. Invite only Europe and draw borders on a map. In this video, we break down the Berlin Conference. You'll see how a room full of Europeans decided the fate of Africans, without Africa's consent, input, or presence. Why did Europe call the Berlin meeting? By the 1880s, Europe faced a growing problem. Not from Africa, but from within its own ranks. Each European power was racing to claim more land. Africa's gold, rubber, diamonds, and rivers had become the new prize. Every nation wanted more ports, more territory, more control. But their ambitions started to collide. France and Britain laid claim to the same regions. Portugal clashed with Germany over territory. Tensions rose quickly. No one wanted a European war to break out on African soil. So instead of fighting, they turned to strategy. Germany stepped in to take the lead. In 1884, Chancellor Otto von Bismarck invited Europe's major powers to a meeting in Berlin. Britain, France, Belgium, Spain, Portugal, Italy, and Germany all took their seats at the table. They didn't come to explore. They weren't there to negotiate with Africa. They came to divide it. For months, European leaders sat around polished tables, studying maps of a continent most of them had never stepped foot on. They were not kings or generals. They were diplomats, politicians, and colonial officials. Their goal wasn't discovery, it was control. 14 nations were represented. From the global empires to the rising powers, each came ready to claim their share. The men in Berlin saw Africa as theirs to rule, believing they were superior and destined to lead.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.